we'd like to demonstrate the making of
family masks, which may offer a certain level of protection in these difficult times.
So we've got sizes for the family. There's an extra small one there with sizes, a small one there, medium size there, and you may well be able to freeze frame the screen and take the sizes and perhaps enlarge it and then draw round the template to make a pattern for yourself. There's the large one there.
So a range of masks, different sizes for all of the family.
As far as the fabric choices go, you need something with a bit of density really. So if you've got any remnants or an old t-shirt, that will be fine. But if you want something a little bit more bright, colourful, designer-like, then we've got some fat quarters here and some elastic, which will do the job nicely. So the cutting out stage works as follows. We've got 4 layers of fabric there. Because these masks are reversible, or can be, and they're washable, and you can then of course alternate between the colour and the pattern choice depending how you feel. So the template or pattern is pinned to the 4 layers of fabric, and then the 4 layers of fabric are cut out,
As you see,
as a batch. There's all 4 there, ready to go. And then of course we're ready for the sewing stage. So for the sewing stage, we need to work the fabric in pairs. So one colour at a time, and start with the rounded edge.
the front of the mask. That's sewn first.
Do exactly the same to the other fabric. At this point, the pattern wants to be face to face. Trim off the ends. Now open the fabric up, and you'll find that the rounded part needs to be folded flat, and try and keep it flat and keep the flaps to the same side when they're paired together. So the flaps are both the same side. So this time the fabrics are face to face, because longer term the mask will be turned inside out. So we're sewing along the bottom edge first of the mask,
All the way along the bottom edge.
and then along the top edge, the rounded edge. Now when you get to near the point of the mask, the top of the mask, just stop slightly short
And then reverse up a little.
and do the same from the other side. Start a little way in. What you don't want to be doing is sewing the very tip of the mask, otherwise it won't fold properly all the way through to the end. Now at this point you can turn the mask inside out. Starts to come alive now. Fold the ends in to form a hem. Little hem of about a centimetre or 10 millimetres, and then we're ready for the elastic. Insert the elastic into the open ends. Now the elastic can be whatever size you need it really for your head size. This is a large mask, so we're reckoning on around about 25 centimetre length of elastic, but it really depends on the width of the elastic and the size of your head to what will suit you. Sew along the ends, and when sewing the elastic in, just run up and down, backwards and forwards to reinforce the stitch at that point. Both ends of the elastic are done there, so we're working on the other end now. Loop the elastic round, feed it into the opening and stitch it in. Again, backwards and forwards. Now at this point, loop the other piece of elastic round into the opening, but just make sure you don't sew through the first one because it'll just get in the way a bit. Trim off the cotton. And there you have a rather nice face mask. There it is. Double-sided, so reversible. Rewash, it could be washed as well, and should offer a certain level of protection. Thank you for watching. Bye.